Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jade here, back with another video. I know it's been a really long time since I last uploaded, but if you're interested in this video on stitch braids, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get right to it. Alright, so here I'm just parting the hair. Obviously, you guys know that parting is super fundamental and crucial to making sure that the braids are crisp, neat, and just overall to give you that slayed look. So this is obviously really sped up, but the parting takes the longest, for me at least, because I really want to make sure that, again, those parts are crisp, they're neat, they're clean, and you know, when you're parting, it's gonna be based on, you know, that client's hair density, and also obviously the amount of braids that they're getting. So this was just 6 stitch back stitch braids, and here we see that I'm starting to go in and braid after getting those parts all nice and crisp and clean. I did start essentially with doing a middle part, and then from there doing basically 2 halves of the head. So the first braid is complete. Essentially, I'm just going in here and starting to define that second part for the next braid. But I'm not going to talk too much during this video. It's pretty self-explanatory. So just stay tuned. I did have to pop back in on this part. Sorry, my camera, I wasn't really focused on the camera at this point, so obviously it's a little bit out of frame, but you guys are still able to see, you know, the process and everything, but sorry that it is cut off a bit. much for watching this video. This is the last braid and we're pretty much done with this video. I had a lot of fun doing this look and creating a custom color combination. But yeah, this is the final look. If you would like more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe, peace and love.